Hi there, this is a new video. Welcome back to Amazing Gadgets channel. These gadgets and products are available on Amazon and Alibaba. If you need any product, just visit Amazon or Alibaba. So let's see the products and organizing and cleaning hacks we've got in this video. This is a filter you can use for the sink. That's an extension you can use for your tap. This is an organizer you can use for these pieces of cloths and sponges. This is an electric brush. It's really helpful. You can use it for cleaning your stove. This is a hanger. We've got these plastic covers. This is a small shelf you can use for your kitchen stuff. Let's see what's in this bathroom. This is a mop. We've got this box, and this is a mop you can use for cleaning walls and ceiling. This is another box you can use for wipes. This is a small closet you can use for your shoes, and this is a folding broom you can use for the corners. This is a small washing machine. It's really convenient. These are cleaners. We've got this one you can use for the corners. These are organizers you can use for your clothes and other small accessories. This is another cleaner. This is another folding mop. This is a small cleaner or mop you can use for mirrors and windows. This is a dispenser you can use for storing cereals. This is a small juicer you can use for making different types of juice. It's really convenient. This is a cooker. This is another clip. Let's see what's in this beautiful apartment. Let's see how this lady is gonna handle the situation. This is a small brush you can use for cleaning your toilet. This is a soap holder. This is a hanger you can use for your clothes. You've got this product you can use for your shoes or couches. This is a small basket you can use for laundry. This is a small washing machine. It's really cool. You can also dry up your clothes using this small washing machine. It's really cool. It's small and it's folding. You've got these organizers you can use for small accessories like socks. This is a small box where you can put your makeup stuff and other small items. This is a small folding mop you can use for the corners. That's a juicer. This is another cooker you can use for fish. This is another juicer. This is a rice cooker. This is an orange juicer. This is a wood cutting board. This is a cooker. This is a mixing cup you can use for eggs. This is a frying pan you can use for making omelette.